Welcome to Topic Time. In this topic time, we discuss about manufacture related forms in Drug and Cosmetics Act. The form numbers are a main area asked in competitive exams. Hence, we have to learn it in detail. The Drug and Cosmetics Act 1940 states different forms related to manufacture of drugs. The Drugs and Cosmetics Act was passed in 1940 and rules under the act came into force in 1945. Let's see some shortcuts to remember the forms. Otherwise, it will be difficult to remember form numbers. You remember form number 27 and 28 are related to Schedule C and C1 drugs. Form number which contains the letter A will be related to a loan license. All form numbers which contains a letter B are related to repacking license, and all form numbers which contains a letter F are related to Schedule X drugs. These are some shortcuts to remember the form numbers. To connect the letters and related terms, we can remember a sentence. Facts all bulky repacked items. Facts starts with F and ends with X. That means the letter F is related to Schedule X. All starts with A and ends with LL. LL is for loan license, from which you can remember that the letter A is related to loan license. And the third word is bulky repacked items. Bulky starts with a B. The letter B is related to repacked items. That is, it is related to repacking license. So you remember the sentence, facts all bulky repacked items. First of all, we will see some applications. If you give application form in form number 27, you will get a license to manufacture Schedule C and C1 drugs, excluding Schedule X drugs. As said earlier, form number 27 and 28 are related to Schedule C and C1 drugs. Now, if you give an application in form number 27B, you will get a license to manufacture Schedule C and C1 drugs, including Schedule X drugs. The difference between 27 and 27B is, by form number 27, you get license to manufacture only C and C1 drugs. But if you give application in 27B, you get license to manufacture C drugs, C1 drugs and Schedule X drugs also. Now onwards, we discuss the form numbers of application forms and license issue forms together. It is convenient to remember the form numbers if you learn these items together. Let's see why are they discussed together. For example, form number 24 is the application form to manufacture drugs, while form number 25 is the license for manufacture of drugs. 24 and 25. 24 is application and 25 is license. Let's see another example with the same pattern. Form number 24A is for loan license. That is an application. While form number 25A is the loan license issue form. As I said earlier, the letter A is related to loan license. You remember the word all. A-L-L. A is for loan license. If it is 24A, it is application for loan license. And if it is 25A, it is the license issuing form for loan license. Let's see another example with the same pattern. Form number 24B is the application to get a repack license. And form number 25B is the repack license issuing form. As I said earlier, the letter B is related to repack license. You remember it by the word bulky repacked items. If it is 24B, that is the application for repack license. And if it is 25B, that is the actual repack license. That is the issue form. Let's see another similar pattern. 24F is the application to manufacture Schedule X drugs, while 25F is the license issue form to manufacture Schedule X drugs. We have seen that the letter F is related to Schedule X. You remember it by the word facts. Facts start with the letter F and ends with the letter X. That is, F is for Schedule X. If it is 24F, that is the Schedule X application form. And if it is 25F, then it will be the license issuing form to manufacture Schedule X drugs. Now we see another similar pattern. 27 is the application form for getting a license to manufacture Schedule C and C1 drugs excluding Schedule X drugs. And if you submit an application in 27, you will get the license in form 28. That is, license to manufacture Schedule C and C1 drugs excluding Schedule X. You can learn these form numbers in the pattern. That is, if you submit an application in form number 24, you will get the license in form number 25. If it is only 24, then it will be the case of normal drugs. If it is 24A, it will be the case of loan license. And if it is 24B, it will be the case of repacking license. If it is 24F, it is related to Schedule X drugs. You just remember that if you apply in 24 form, you will get the license in 25 form. And similarly, if you apply in 27 form for Schedule C and C1 drugs excluding Schedule X, then you will get the license in 28 form for Schedule C and C1 drugs excluding Schedule X drugs. Thank you for listening to Topic Time.